Government of Manipur issues limited period stay permits to outsiders with official implementation of inner line permit system in Manipur today. Art and Culture Minister Lampulapam Jentakumar says government has earmarked over 4 crore rupees for renovation of museums inside the Kangla Fort. Inclement weather frustrates picnickers holding New Year celebrations at popular picnic spots. And Manipur with 128 medals bags first runner-up title of the 5th National Kung Fu Championship 2019. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. Impact News wishes you all a very happy and prosperous New Year. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. State government implemented the inner line permit system officially in Manipur today. Permits to stay for a limited period in the state are being issued to outsiders coming from other states of India. Counter has been opened at the arrival terminal of Bir Dikendrajit International Airport in Imphal, where 15-day temporary permits are being issued to outsiders entering the state. Impact News came across a police team led by Manipur Police OC K. Bobby, carrying on full swing necessary measures to identify non-locals for issuance of ILP to them. 45 outsiders arrived at the airport till 2 p.m. today. They were made to fill up the ILP forms to get temporary permits at the rate of 100 rupees each. Most of them were tourists and business representatives. It may be mentioned that a state gazette notification was issued yesterday to start a full-fledged implementation of the ILP system from today. State government is providing 4 types of permit under the system. They are special category permit, regular permit, temporary permit, and labor permit. ILP system is also being successfully implemented at Jirbam district starting today. Deputy Commissioner of Jirbam district M. Rajkumar has opened inner line permit counter at Babupara in the district. Identification proofs of outsiders coming from Assam were checked and they were made to fill up ILP forms to get a permit to stay in the state. Most of the outsiders entering Jirbam were issued labor permits. Jirbam police personnel are taking active roles in issuing the permits. Speaking to media, Jirbam Deputy Commissioner M. Rajkumar stressed on the need to generate public awareness on the ILP system. He assured of necessary measures to check illegal entry of outsiders at crucial entry points.
mayam laga koi business person sing market da phama ba ba lai makoi sing da koi han bagi oina ke awareness handok pada then form pithok pada kedang challenges ama face tawdi ai public the awareness phajana pi na ba koi in depth discussion tawri
asar site ki assam site ki laiba sigul ba vendor mayam sing sigi temporary permit habidi 15 days ki adung ba permit ama shoot o habagi adung instruction ama ko do follow tawgani
akhoi public su one so gadabo nati ngai deba nangi ngasagi aina hidi aini aduga implement tawdoriba akhoi sine ba akoina akhoi se pukchen seng na thabuk tawragadi ko akhoi indigenous leiba akhoi hanagi lejeriba mi singche kitang mateng phangani natrani chukan kanaro
ILP sina maram oira kanda akhoi mafam sida atopa foreigner singna natragana akoi mitop na masing henjala padu khara makhai di akoi jirbam gi oina su khara makhai di masi safara ga nyai na khali
nungai phawi koigi jiri da hala dagi sumaina lamadi changjali ba mi singgi changma mo mo ne na khali.
Two inner line permit counters were opened at Indo-Myanmar border town Moray today. Technopol SP TH Vikramjit and Sub-Divisional Magistrate I Dinesh Kumar inaugurated the two ILP counters located at Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate number 2 and integrated checkpost at around 2 p.m. today. Outsiders coming to Manipur were issued inner line permits following necessary procedures.
Counter asida aikoina tawjugodoribasi aikoi state asida changiba mising sida Manipur gi permanent resident natabagai permit asi akoi kahanjagani aiba permit asi makhan mari thongna khai ahanbada akoi special category permit andegi mathangda regular permit temporary permit amasung labor permit aiba permit makhan mari asini mafam sida changiba foreigners sing dadi masina deal tawroi foreigners sing gidi Foreigners Act and the Passport Act and the Tongan Foreigners Committee Lenava Act and Regulation Mamdina Diltogan.
Art and Culture Minister Lampulapam Jayantikumar has disclosed that the government has earmarked over 4 crore rupees to renovate the 3 museums inside the Kangla Fort. He was speaking on the sidelines of a tree plantation drive carried out by the Art and Culture Department in association with the State Medicinal Plants Board at the State Herbal Garden inside the Kangla Fort today. Minister Jayantikumar termed the government's decision to renovate the museums as one of its biggest achievements. He expressed firm belief that a revamping of the State Herbal Garden and the museums inside the Kangla Fort will attract many tourists. He appeals to extend support to the government's initiatives. Speaking on the sidelines, State Medicinal Plants Board SMPB CEO A. Guneshwar Sharma said that the state government has already forwarded a written request to the center to take initiatives for producing herbal products. He said herbal products will be produced at a state level first, followed by productions at a district level.
Kangla manung sidida Arts and Culture Department ki mailai na bada khan paikhat chaw makal ki thabak sing haibatai masi chu handaki mixing manung da horani Kangla manung sida mi na khangda bada museum macha ohum lei museum macha ohum se masi ki damukta koi 4 some crore adu earmark to na paisa do thadore sanction to re koi DPR thajur badagi thadore amasum paisa release to hore first installment adu tor matung da koi na Kangla gi main Kangla da lei ba video pakhang bagi jaga haib jaga sida koi Kangla koi pa phal la na haib makal museum ama ya koi na samakan gi gate hekchang puda lei makal museum asi develop tawna bu madugi tongan bakal ani suma museum ama deloina ada mawang gi British period saramba akoi gi achoba akoi gi sang mayam ama macha mayam maintenance ong lebising masi su museum ama smart on museum ohum si masi su develop tawna ba habna habi bisa release tawra bani na akoi cheul sing manung siri da kumatu implement to bahorani.
Education Minister Dr. Thokchom Radisham has inaugurated an Atal Tinkering Laboratory at Khomdon Educational Blooming Institute, KB in Charangpat today. The laboratory is opened under Atal Innovation Mission, AIM, of the Niti Aayog National Institution for Transforming India. Thoubal District ADC and other officials attended the event.
Ahong was lepa sulai lete ahong ba lepa kana koi siba sa mana adana tammi ba mai sing se mioi ba koina apaba nungayo kun simaren le madaloina sang madaka le adu idamakta akoi innovation anu wakal anu poto kaya ma puthorok equipment technology kaya ma puthorok gi dakar le adu idamakta tinkering lab ai se tangai phade and India government na Bharat Sarkar na school khara khangal laga pirakoda akoi school simuso apaba school ne habidagi bibira ibani.
Senior Citizens for Society Wangoi chapter observed its 8th Foundation Day at Wangoi Bazaar today. MLA Oinam Lukhoi led people in paying floral tributes to late members of the society, including its founder member and former Chief Minister of Manipur, late Wahingbam Nipamacha. Winter gifts were presented to senior citizens of Wangoi at the event. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Oinam Lukhoi stressed on the needs to take good care of senior citizens. He also highlighted the various welfare programs taken up for senior citizens, including all-age pension scheme under Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren-led state government. MLA Lukhoi wished everyone that the new year will bring peace, prosperity, love and harmony among communities in the state.
Ahalaman singchi akoina luna chana tobiba makhoichi ahal loire haidana akoina line lobidaba ahal haibasidi chahi yamagadi angang onthore haibasu khoina khangnaribaduni aduna tungi lambi tenjhalaba makhoi sing sigidamakta aisu ngamjaba halibung aduna honabirambadagi makhapona magi matung injaraga kendra sida laibiriba senior citizen gi age da chingabadu bahalaman sing madugumba khangkatjaraga ngamjaba ningtham thagi ingkhirba matam sida aigi maigai dagi su kendra sigi MLA ama oina ngamjaba aina kampal macha ama khakka ngasi sigo foundation day sigi khudong chaba laujaraga aina halaman sing sida seba phangjabani.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on New Year Day celebrations across the state. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Like in the previous years, people today celebrated the New Year 2020 at picnic spots in the state. A large number of people, including children, were seen at popular picnic spots like the Sekmai River banks, Laimaram, Singdadam, etc. However, picnickers were disheartened by this morning's showers at around 11:30. Unlike the previous years, people wind up their picnics early at around 3 p.m. due to the inclement weather. People have wished for the new year to herald in peace, progress and prosperity in Manipur.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯟꯅꯖꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯖꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯌꯥꯝꯃꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯟꯅꯖꯤꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯖꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯔꯥꯞ ꯑꯔꯥꯞꯄꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯂꯣꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯝꯕꯣꯜ ꯂꯣꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯡ ꯊꯪꯕ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯊꯪꯕ ꯁꯥꯏ ꯂꯣꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯖꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯆꯍꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯆꯍꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯆꯍꯤꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯕ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯒꯣꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯥꯠ ꯅꯤꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛ ꯍꯔꯥꯎ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯃꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯥ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯁꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯃꯦꯆꯨꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯤꯖꯔꯤꯗꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯍꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯕ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯑꯌꯦꯛ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯏꯪꯕ ꯇꯞꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯏꯕꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯕ ꯅꯥꯕ ꯌꯦꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥꯡꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯅꯨ. ꯏꯃꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯅ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯔꯦ. ꯍꯦꯄꯤ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯏꯌꯔ. ꯍꯦꯄꯤ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯏꯌꯔ. Happy New Year!
Culture Forum Manipur organized a symposium titled Kanglei Nuja to mark the 100th birth anniversary of late eminent woman writer of the state, Takhelambam Thoibi, at Manipur Hindi Parishad Hall, Old Assembly Road today. Former Vice Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture, Imphal, Professor Naurem Khagendra, released the third poetry book of Taurem Suniti Bala, titled Asengba Marup, on the occasion. Dr. Koijam Shantibala stressed on the roles of Manipuri women in the society, and Dr. Chinglin Maishnam spoke on the roles of Manipuri women in the state's economy at the symposium. Education Minister Dr. Thokchom Radhesham led residents of Hairog in Thoubal district in taking out a Fit India movement rally today. BJP Hairog Mandal organized the rally with an aim to build a healthy society free from drugs menace in the new year 2020. Around 8,000 people of all age groups rallied through Lorembam Chinglak in Hairog till Nongpok Sekmai Nisa ground. Various yoga asanas were performed upon reaching the final destination. Speaking to media, Minister Dr. Thokchom Radhesham said only healthy people can build a healthy society. He urged the people to stay healthy to take up various developmental works.
I fit oiragadi loina mo fit oigani ada mi pung mo fit oina bagi adugi movement ni pandam da masi han ba sei hobuno misra hairo kendri mi khuding mo masa mu fana leiba wakhal nungai leiba adugi damakta pena fit india movement gi moto da tawjaraga hairo kendri fit india gi makhata na fit hairo ac hana taro pe leiri mayam sigi fitness lagna ba.
4 local clubs of Ningi Hongnai, namely NYO, IYDO, SODO and CPC took out an anti-drug rally from NYO club at Yaripok, Ning Hongnai today. A public meeting was held following the rally where attendees took resolutions to curb drug menace from the locality. Their resolutions are to expel anyone who smuggled drugs into the locality for 10 years, to impose heavy fines on drug peddlers and to call social boycott of those families involved in drugs business. Now in sports news, Manipur team has bagged the runner-up title of the 5th National Kung Fu Championship 2019. Kung Fu Sports Association of Maharashtra hosted the championship held under the aegis of All India Kung Fu Federation at Maharashtra's Sai Baba Sevadham Kanhe Patha in Pune. Manipur team bagged altogether 128 medals, including 81 golds, 25 silver and 22 bronze. As part of the championship, South Asia Kung Fu Federation also presented All India International Sifu Award 2019 to 4 players from Manipur. T.H. Birachandra Singh Football Academy at Taubungkhok, Makhaleka, Imphal West distributed footballs to its budding players and released its New Year's calendar today. Academy's youth and grassroots players, veteran players, coach and many people attended the event. The academy will kick off non-residential football coaching at its sports complex on January 6. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Government of Manipur issues limited period stay permits to outsiders with official implementation of inner line permit system in Manipur today. Art and Culture Minister Lampulapam Jayantikumar says government has earmarked over 4 crore rupees for renovation of museums inside the Kangla Fort. Inclement weather frustrates picnickers holding New Year Day celebrations at popular picnic spots. And Manipur with 128 medals bags first runner-up title of the 5th National Kung Fu Championship 2019.